Today we're going to compare 3 popular rebuild kits for the 4150 series carburetors. Take a look at them individually, see which one's the best, and choose a winner. Let's go. Now, why did I choose these 3 different kits and not others? Well, I'll give you the 3 reasons why. One, the Holley kit has been around the longest, obviously, and it's probably the biggest competitor for all of them. The AED kit is one of my personal favorites. It's very popular when you try to search it on the Summit website, Amazon, whatever. It comes up in a lot of the search engines, so it's very popular. The new one on the block, sort of, is the Edelbrock kit, and it's very popular because you can find it everywhere. If you have a local O'Reilly Auto Parts store, they've got this kit on the shelf when you walk in. I mean, you can get it anywhere, anytime. So that's the kind of the reasons why I picked these 3 kits. Now, there's an AED kit that I didn't choose to reference in this one, just simply because it's the most expensive, but it has all the hardware in it. I really love that kit. It's the premium kit. I didn't want to do that for this one. I wanted 3 that are pretty close to the same price range. That way we can kind of get them all mostly the same. The AED kit is the most expensive one at the time I shot this. Edelbrock second. Holley's actually the cheapest kit of the 3. So what we're going to do next is get them all out of the packaging, and then we're going to look at it piece by piece and determine which one's the best kit. Now, this poor Edelbrock kit, the guy at O'Reilly's must have looked at me funny when I asked if there was a discount for it being all crushed. But yeah, I assure you it's a new kit from the shelf. It just didn't get treated very well. Now, before we get too far down the road, yes, we're only looking at 4150 series kits. The 4160 we will test out at some other different time with a couple of different kits. But for today, we're just going to look at the double pumper kits. Now, before we get started, let me just say that flat out the AED packaging sucks. Cutting it out of that skin-wrapped deal is a pain in the ass. Don't get me started. I'm just going to tell you that it sucks. The Holley and the Edelbrock kit are painfully easy to open. That AED kit just flat out sucks packaging. So you're going to get an F just to start with. Now let's start out with something that really nobody pays attention to for the most part, and that's the instructions. And we'll start with the AED kit. Well, you're not starting out on the right foot here with the packaging. And to be honest with you, those aren't instructions. That's an exploded view and a list of parts, and yeah, you fail already. The Holley kit comes with a troubleshooting chart. That's kind of handy. What it does also have, which I thought was kind of cool, is a breakdown of the part numbers and the spec sheets for the 4150 and what it fits, what it works, the different float adjustments. Very, very nice how it breaks down all the list numbers. I thought that was kind of handy, kind of cool. And then when you look at the instructions themselves, get these opened up, they aren't too bad. They do go a little bit into the different calibrations, but when you look at it, that's really about it. A lot of wasted space, but they're the same. They do give you a little bit of an exploded diagram and what all of those pieces are, but kind of cumbersome. You will reference back to it, I'm sure, but yeah, it's a little weird in how they're put together, but yeah, especially when it talks about an electric choke. It's kind of like they're a universal set of instructions when it has electric choke. More of the 4160 series, although it does reference the 4150. Yeah. Worst, second worst, let's see how the Edelbrock is. Now, the Edelbrock kit is really not that bad when you look at it. They do have some nice pictures, a little bit of a step-by-step, and when you open this up, you'll see that it's got mostly a step-by-step, and they also included some different languages, which is certainly helpful if you're from one of those countries that need that. But yeah, it's a little bit kind of cumbersome in some aspects because it does cover some different kind of floats and all that, but it is kind of I guess I would call it the best of the three, but I wouldn't call it perfect. That's for sure. They're serviceable, not perfect. But 1, 2, 3, better to best. Now that we have that out of the way, let's start looking at the individual pieces of the kits, and let's knock out the easy stuff first. Accelerator pumps, kind of cool. Obviously, they all come with the 2 smaller cc and one of the bigger 50cc pump kits. That's certainly helpful. Now, power valves is kind of cool. They all come with at least one 6.5 power valve. That's certainly a bonus. You'd expect that. The holley's kind of cool because one, it's very, very nicely printed on there, but they come with 2 6.5 power valves and one 10.5 power valve, which I kind of like with that holley kit. Kind of gives you a little bit of a spread instead of being stuck with just the 1 power valve size. If you have something a little bit odd on the tuning side, that 10.5 could be very, very helpful. So we'll give Holley the little nod when it comes to power valves and accelerator pumps. I think the Holley kit's a little bit better there for that aspect. Now let's talk about the base plate to the main body gaskets. All of these kits come with the different series that fits in there. When you look at the AED one, it's kind of nicely stacked up from being shrink wrap, but certainly all they come with the exact same configurations to cover all the different list numbers. Edelbrock's no different. Comes with a little bit thicker gasket on a couple of them, but really for the most part they all cover the exact same thing. We're going to call it a push, maybe just a very, very slight nod to the Edelbrock one, but really they're all about the same. Now the AED and the Holley is kind of interesting. The only thing that they come with is the carburetor to manifold gasket, which is good. Holley kind of cheapens out a little bit on this one. The AED is a little bit, I guess they're probably pretty close, same. Holley's actually a little bit thicker, but what it really lacks and what I totally dislike is the Edelbrock comes with the base plate gasket, but it comes with the air cleaner gasket as well. So if you're a street guy, you have to have this. You need to replace it. You need to freshen it up. You need to have a new one. And the other 2 kits, the Holley and the AED, totally ignore that, and I don't like that at all because, quite honestly, yes, obviously the rebuild kits, and a lot of guys use the double pumper on the racing side of things, obviously, and maybe you don't run an air cleaner, and maybe that's why they elected to cheapen out and not include it, but there's still quite a few guys that run double pumper style carburetor, 4150 style carburetor on the street, and not having an air cleaner gasket, you're going to run into issues there. So I'm going to give the nod to the Edelbrock on that one. The other 2 kits, maybe step up your game. Really, these aren't that much money. You can include that in the kit. It's not that big of a deal. So nod goes to the Edelbrock on that one. Now, we really separate ourselves when we talk about the metering block and the bowl gaskets, and I'll tell you, this is where things really stand out. The Holley goes for that blue gasket, which, I think if any of us have torn apart a 4150 or double pumper carburetor, we know that these tend to stick, and they become a very, very big pain in the backside when you're talking about cleaning things up. I just don't like these. I don't know why Holley continues to use these, especially in these rebuild kits. I would say that these are probably the worst of the bunch. The Edelbrock ones are a little bit better. These tend to last a little bit longer in these black gaskets, but really, when you get down to it, there's not much difference between the 2. It's kind of a push. So as far as I'm concerned, when you talk about the bowl and the metering block gaskets, the Edelbrock and the Holley is pretty much the same at that point. I would not like to use those, but if you're going to push me between the 2, I would push for these being a little bit better, these being the worst. Now the AED kit really steps up here, and this is where you pay a little bit more of the money. These red gaskets are certainly a fan favorite. They come apart nicely. You can use them multiple times. They don't tear and stick and have to spend a lot of time, kind of scraping them off. So absolutely love that material. The AED kit for sure on this one wins hands down. The needle and seats are about the same with everyone. They both come with a pair. Don't really think there's much difference between any of them, so we're just going to call that pretty much a push between all of them. However, I think what I would do is I would give the slight advantage to the AED kit, because what they do give you is the replacement screw and adjusting nut. I do like that a lot. I'll give the nod to the AED kit. Kind of really like that about all the AED kits. Having a little bit of hardware included in there is kind of a nice thing. So give a little bit of the nod to the AED on that one. This one's kind of weird. The AED kit is the only one that comes with the little accelerator pump nozzle check needles. Neither other kit has it, the Edelbrock nor the Holley. Seems kind of odd that they would leave those out, but give credit to AED for including them in there. Another cool one with the AED kit, I guess if you got a four-corner idle mixture, the AED kit comes with all the hardware to replace that. I always like that about that. Like I said about the AED kits, they always are a little bit extra in that aspect. They come with 4 of those, and nobody else addresses that at all, which isn't uncommon. I guess I really wouldn't expect it, but it is a nice little touch for the AED kit. And really, last but not least here, all the little hardware, gaskets, clips, and all that. The Holley one comes with this nice little measuring device stick. I guess that's kind of cool, but really they're all pretty much the same at that point. I do like how Holley bags it up. The AED kit was all bagged up, but when you cut it out of that skin wrap packaging, decided to separate itself from everything. So really at this point, you could kind of nitpick all this, but for the most part, I'm going to give them all pretty much the same. There's really not much difference in these. Again, like I said, you could kind of nitpick what you do and don't like. I don't like the little plastic gaskets that AED uses, and the little plastic ones for the bowls. But yeah, I mean, again, 6 one, half does the other. You know, you can call that kind of a push. They all come with a little bit of a. I guess the Edelbrock doesn't. Well, I guess it does have one of the plugs, but yeah, for the most part, they're all pretty much the same. I do like having the little measuring device in there on the Holley, but really, they're all pretty much the same at that point. So really, at the end, what do you do here? What do you call one a winner and one a loser? I think if you're really, really going to push it, you'd got to give the slight edge to the AED, because I do like all the little extras that they do give you on the hardware side, where no one else really addresses that. But you know, really at the end of the day, you have to order the AED kit. Nobody has those in stock anywhere, meaning good luck trying to find a local speed shop. Here in Memphis, we do have a local one, but they're not open on Saturdays. That kind of sucks. And really, the only one you're going to find on the shelf anywhere is really the Edelbrock kit. O'Reilly stocks that one in all their stores. I don't think, I'd have to look, but I don't think anyone stocks the Holley kit. Maybe AutoZone carries that one, but it's kind of a hit or miss, I guess. But really, at the end of the day, I guess if you're looking for the best of the best, I would probably choose the AED kit, but one that you're going to find everywhere, well, the Edelbrock kind of edges that one out. Do like the Holley in the aspect of the power valves. They've all got their little wins here and there. So really, it's just kind of a personal preference at that point. I like the fact that I can get the Edelbrock pretty much any of the O'Reilly stores, but yeah, the AED is available nowhere. Premium kit for sure. But again, it's kind of a hit or miss, really, on the Holley one. But yeah, if the Edelbrock one was just a touch better with a little bit better gasket, I think you got to call that one a winner. Maybe if they included another power valve in there, that would be kind of cool. But really, when you talk about all the little differences between them, you get a little into the weeds on that one, I think. So what do you guys think? Is there a clear winner in all here? Is there a clear loser? I guess, there's room for argument and all that. There's certain things I love about each kit. There's certainly things I hate about each kit. But really, at the end of the day, it's going to be up to you. What do you think? Argue about it down in the comments. Tell me what you think is best. Is there another kit that I should have tried out or compared these three to? Maybe, but who knows? At the end of the day, these are the three that I chose. Maybe there's three more I should look at, and give me those down the list, down in the comments. Maybe we'll do another one of these down in the future. Anyway, if you have any questions on this one, don't hesitate. Please leave them down below. There's really a lot of interpretation on this one, but really at the end of the day, I do like that AED kit, and really it's the gaskets on that one that wins it for me. But you can't argue the availability of having that Edelbrock kit on the shelf pretty much anywhere in a pinch at the last minute. It's kind of hard to lose on that one. So anyway, if you got any questions on this one, don't hesitate to leave them down below. And if you just want to argue about it, I'm cool with that too. So anyway, I guess we'll catch you guys on the next one. We'll see you.